Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now, which day you all people wake up in? 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock?
6:30, ma'am.
Oh, only beauty, 6:30.
8:30, ma'am.
Wait to 8 o'clock.
8:30, ma'am.
Half an hour enough, no?
No, ma'am.
So today, Andhra,
What?
not bathing, no makeup.
No, ma'am. I'm bathing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, today's topic is lung cancer. This also in respiratory system affecting disease. Okay, what is lung cancer? Most common cause of cancer, death for men and women. Okay, who having lung cancer, common cause cancer, death for women and women. Tobacco use account for 80% of lung cancer. Okay, in 80% of reason is the lung cancer of the tobacco users. And lung cancer affect primarily in 5 or 6th decade of life. And in 70% of lung cancer patient disease has spread to distant organ. Understand? In 70% of lung cancer patient disease has spread to distant. It means it is spreading the another organ also. What is the definition of the lung cancer? A abnormal growth of cell which tend it to proliferate in an uncontrolled way and in some cases of metastasis. It means spreading. And cancer is not one disease. It is a group of more than 100 different and distinctive diseases. It means it is affecting one organ means it is spreading cancer. Okay. That is the cancer type. That is abnormal growth of cell. In cell, it is coming in a abnormal growth. That is the leads to cancer. And in some cases of metastasis, means metastasis means it is spreading. Cancer is not one disease. It is a group of a more than 100 different and distinctive disease. Okay, that is the definition of the cancer. You can see this is the healthy lung tissue. Okay, and this picture is the diseased lung tissue. It means that tissue is fully damaged and it is leads to looking like this only. That is the cancer. Next, types of lung cancer. Two main types of lung cancer is there. Small cell lung cancer. It means 20 to 20% of all lung cancer. And non-small cell lung cancer. Most common in 80%. Non-small cell lung cancer is most common in 80%. Next is small cell lung cancer, 20 to 25% of all lung cancer. Okay, that is the types of two types of lung cancer. Two types: small cell lung cancer, non-small cell lung cancer. What is small cell lung cancer? Small cell lung cancer is the most aggressive form of lung cancer. It is usually start in the bronchi and then affect the whole lungs. Okay, small cell lung cancer is first affecting the bronchi and then affect the whole lung. These cancer cells are small and are considered to be quite and aggressive in nature, and they have a large growth factors. Okay, small cell cancer. These cancer cell are small and are considered to be a quite aggressive in nature, and they have a large growth factor. Okay, next non-small cell lung cancer means is any types of epithelial lung cancer other than small cell lung cancer. It is any types of epithelial lung cancer other than small lung cancer. Non-small cell lung cancer usually grow and spread more slowly than, okay, small cell cancer usually spreading slowly only. Okay, but small cell lung cancer is growthly spreading. Okay, that is the difference between the small cell lung cancer and non-small lung cancer. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the types of non-small cell lung cancer. Squamous cell carcinoma usually arise certainly in a larger bronchi. Carcinoma in the larger bronchi. That is the squamous cell. Next, adenocarcinoma formed from granular structure in the epithelial tissue, mucus secreting gland, and often found in the periphery of the lungs. That is the adenocarcinoma, NSCL. NSCL means non-small lung cancer. Okay. Next, large cell carcinoma can occur in any part of the lung and tend to grow and spread faster than the other two types. Okay, it is large cell carcinoma is the big one cancer, and adenocarcinoma is the formed from granular structure in epithelial tissue. Mucus secretion gland is there only it is coming. And the squamous cell means carcinoma usually arise and be large bronchi. Squamous cell means it is coming the large bronchi. Squamous cell carcinoma, moderate to poor differentiation, make up 30 to 40% of all lung cancer, more common in male, most occur centrally in the large bronchi, uncommon metastasis that is a slow affect the liver, adrenal gland and lymph node associated with the smoking, not easily visualized on X-ray. In this X-ray you see means you cannot see that, but one patch is there, white patch. That part is the lung part and the carcinoma is there. Okay, that is the squamous cell carcinoma. Moderate to poor differentiated and it make up 30 to 40% of all lung cancer, more common in male, most occurs generally in the large bronchi, uncommon metastasis that is now affecting the liver and adrenal gland and lymph node. It is affecting the metastasis in liver, adrenal gland and lymph node and associated with the smoking. It is commonly coming in a smokers only. Okay, not easily visualized on X-ray. That is the squamous cell carcinoma. Next one is the adenocarcinoma. Increasing in frequency, most common type of lung cancer, 40 to 50% of all lung cancer. Okay, in 40 to 50% all cancer in the adenocarcinoma, clearly defined a peripheral lesion. It is a peripheral lesion. and gradular appearance under the microscope and easily seen on the chest X-ray. And it can occur in a non-smokers, slow metastatic in nature. And a patient present with overdeveloped brain, liver, adrenal, or metastasis. It means adenocarcinoma maybe it is spreading to all parts of the body. Okay. Here, this picture also not clearly. And copy, no, that's the. Anyway, one white patch is there, no, that is the carcinoma patch. Okay, that is the adenocarcinoma. Increasing the frequency, most common type of lung cancer. It is the most common type of the lung cancer. It means 40 to 50% of all cancer in the adenocarcinoma only. Okay, clearly defined a peripheral lesion. It is clearly in the peripheral lesion. Gradular appearance under the microscope. Okay, and easily seen on a chest X-ray, can occur in non-smokers. It is mostly coming in a non-smokers only, and slow metastasis in a and a patient present with or developing a brain and liver, adrenal, or bone metastasis. It is a spread the brain and liver, adrenal, or a bone metastasis. That is the adenocarcinoma. Next one is the large cell carcinoma. Make up 50 to 20% of all lung cancer. It means poorly differentiated cells. Tenderness occurs in the outer part, periphery of lung. In invading subsegmental bronchi or a airway. Metastasis is slow, BUT. BUT means what? Okay, I will search tomorrow and I will tell. Okay, BUT I know, but I forget. Early metastasis occurs to the kidney and liver organ as well as the adrenal gland. That is the large cell carcinoma. Here we told large cell carcinoma occur in any part of the lung. In any part of, and it tend to grow and spread faster than the other two types. It means squamous cell and adenocarcinoma coming means it is not spreading fastly. But large cell carcinoma coming means it is spreading anywhere, kidney, liver organ, as well as the adrenal gland. Anywhere it is spreading. Okay. And a purely differentiated cell. This is the large cell carcinoma. Up to here, understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Okay. Next one is the causes and risk factors. First, which type of patient having the cancer means so much risk. It means the gender, male or female. Okay. Next is smoking history. Who having smoking history, they have a lung cancer means so much delay. And active smoking 85 to 87, passive smoking 3 into 5%. It means somebody smoking, somebody, and that is smoke taken means that is the passive smoking. That 3 into 5%, they also will occur in the lungs. That's why you should advise to the smokers, don't do inside the house smoking. Okay. They want smoking means they will go outside and separately they want to smoke. Otherwise, that smoking particles, we are also smoking means we are also will get affect the carcinoma. Understand? Next one is the older age. Next, presence of airflow obstruction and genetic predisposition. And this all members affecting the lung cancer means high risk only. And the content, what is the content of the lung cancer? It means affecting pollution and occupational exposure and industry work due to asbestos means heart resistant fibers, heat resistant fibers, and lung disease like TB and family history, diet, low in fruits and vegetables. Who having taking low fruits and vegetable, only eating non-veg, they will affect the lung cancer mostly. That is in a 80 written, no 5% only. Next, who having family history. In family, anybody have a lung cancer means it is genetically different. And lung disease like TB. Okay, TB. Yesterday I told no TB, tuberculosis that is affecting the lung only. That is more affecting me, and that patient maybe it's lung cancer. Industry worker who are doing industry worker and heat resistant fibers is there. That is smoking means cancer and pollution, occupational exposure. Okay, this is the content of the reason of the cancer. Next one is the pathophysiology of the lung cancer. Carcinogens like smoking, occupational and environmental agent, genetics. That is the pathophysiology. And binding cell DNA and damage the cell and the cellular changes and abnormal cell growth. That is the pathophysiology. Okay, carcinogen like smoking, occupational and environmental agent and the genetics. I'm already told this one. This is the main factor of the lung cancer and the pathophysiology. Okay, DNA and damage the cell and like this. And what is the signs and symptom of the lung cancer? There are two types of signs and symptoms of the lung cancer. Localized involving the lungs, generalized involve other areas throughout the body if the cancer has spread. Localized involving the lungs only. Next, generalized involve other areas throughout the body if the cancer has spread. It means localized means it is located in one side, one in lungs only. But generalized means that it is spread into other organs. Okay. Localized signs and symptoms is cough, fatigue, breathing problems, stridor, blood in pelgum and lung infection, hemoptysis, hoarseness, hiccup, weight loss, chest pain, and tightness and pleural effusion. Okay, that is the localized signs and symptoms. Generalized signs and symptoms means bone pain, severe bone pain, headache, mental status changes or a neurological finding, and abdominal pain, elevated liver function test, enlarged liver, gastrointestinal disturbance, and jaundice, hepatomegaly, and weight loss. Okay, that is the localized and generalized signs and symptoms. Understand? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Early
Yes.
late signs and symptoms of lung cancer. What is the early and late signs and symptoms of cancer? Early signs means cough, chronic cough, dyspnea, hemoptysis, chest shoulder pain, recurring temperature, recurring respiratory infection. Okay. Next, late signs. The early signs and symptoms of the lung cancer. Next one is the late signs. Bone pain, spinal cord compression, chest pain, tightness, dysphagia, head and neck edema, blurred vision, headache, weakness, anorexia, weight loss, and cachexia, pleural effusion, liver metastasis, and renal spread. Okay, that is the late signs. Here, same localized signs means small types of the signs and symptoms. It is means localized means what? Involving the lungs only. Okay. But generalized means it is spreading all over the body. That's time this signs and late signs and symptoms will come. Okay. Okay, enough. Tomorrow I will continue balance class. Up to here, understand? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Anyway, 5 minutes is there. I will take this also. Next one is the diagnostic test. How we will realize the lung cancer? First, we will take the chest X-ray. Okay. In chest X-ray, it is not showing me. We will go the CT scan. That's CT scan also. It is not showing correctly means we will go the MRI. Okay. Next is sputum cytology and the fibroportic bronchoscopy and transothoracic fine needle aspiration. Okay, yesterday in that tuberculosis patient, I show one picture how to take the fluid in a directly injected and taking now like that transothoracic spine needle aspiration. We will enter the thoracic needle and we will take the aspirate. We will aspirate the fluid and we will check the We will give the laboratory and we will check that is biopsy. Okay, that is the diagnostic test. And the laboratory test, blood test, CBC to check the red white blood cells, the platelet to check the bone marrow and organ function. Okay, CBC. And the blood chemistry test to assess how organ are functioning, such as liver and kidney. Okay, biopsy. Next, all tests will done. In anything that is finding is coming means the doctors will do all blood test. White blood cells, red blood cells, platelet count. In a lung cancer or lung cancer affecting means this blood test also will change so much difference rise. Okay, and a biopsy to determine if the tumor is cancer or not. Okay, we will do any cancer we have doubt means we will do the biopsy test. It means to determine if the tumor is cancer or not. Next, to determine the types of cancer. What type of the cancer is that? And it will determine the grade of cancer, slow or fast. It is a spreading slow or it is spreading fast. Okay, that is the biopsy test. You can see bronchoscopy. A bronchoscopy is used to view the airway and check for any abnormalities. Doctors will enter the broncho, view the airway to check if it is abnormality. Bronchoscopy is there. He can see nicely inside the lungs and he will find out what is the result. Otherwise, endoscopy and mediastinoscopy, video assisted thoracoscopic surgery. Okay, mediastinoscopy means incision and we will take the this one tissue and video assisted thoracoscopic surgery. Tomorrow I will explain this one. Okay, up to here, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
We should
ma'am.
write these notes, then only you can understand easily. And what is the lung cancer? What is the definition? What is the types of lung cancer? In types of lung cancer, what is that? Okay, and causes of the risk factors, signs and symptoms, and early signs, later signs, and diagnostic, laboratory, and all. You should want to know. Okay.